I am at Crosby Marina in Waterloo, by the lake house and the boating club, sailing club I should say. So yeah, I couldn't zoom in on this when I did the video, the selfie video, so I wanted to capture this. So yeah, it's the sailing club in Waterloo. And it's Crosby Marina. I like it when there's activity on the lake. It's relaxing, isn't it? Just listening to the water against the rocks. That's Seaforth docks that you see, the ports of Liverpool. Should I go that round that way? I think I will actually, you know. I think I will. So I've just come from all the way that way. And I'm going to go that way. And then maybe stand over there then and get a bit closer. This is the lake house. Lake House, the title always reminds me of the Sandra Bullock film and Keanu Reeves, the Lake House. Remember these when we were kids? Parachutes we called them. We'd get it and press it and it'd pop up like a parachute. Or come down like a parachute, I should say. That's the way it came and went right round. Very quiet. There's a lot of people about, but it's so quiet. It's weird. It's like the calm before the storm. Yeah, there's some parachutes. Used to get at the base there and press it. Used to see whose could go the furthest. I think I'll be taking my jacket off in a minute. It's quite warm now. Is it pretty? Just nature all around us, isn't it? It's beautiful. I used to love going on nature walks with my mum and my dad when we were kids. Look at this. This loves the bees, doesn't it? Or the bees love this, I should say. Quite a lot of them. So here's another one there. Okay, moving on. Do you notice I had to take my jacket off? It's sweltering. I'm not complaining, it's beautiful, it's gorgeous. But when I left the house with my jacket on, it was quite cool. But not now. Should I go in there now? Or wait till Cliff later? It's been instilled in us, in our family, not to go in parks and stuff on your own. You can't live in fear, can you? Right, here goes. Crosby Coastal Park. In Waterloo. I won't read it all, but if you wanted a screen and shot, pause and screenshot, I mean. There you go. Right. It is absolutely gorgeous walking through here. Which way? I'll go this way. It's lovely, isn't it? Just listen to the noises, the wildlife, and people. Of course, it's a sailing club across there, isn't it? So quiet. Felt like I'm going to start singing Bjork's song, It's So Quiet. It was just burst out into song, it's brilliant. I love that song. So yeah, there's a sailing club. That's I was over that way before, but you can see a better view here. And this is what I wanted to show you. There is somebody on the little jetty thing that looks over, but I think they're just a few girls. Right, that's where I was over there, and then I went right the way around. wow, it's months since we've been in here because look how everything's just grown. You don't realise how above we are. See, it's all the reeds and everything. Reeds, not weeds. Sounded. Doesn't that look pretty? That looks really, really pretty, doesn't it? That view. Listen to the birds. It's just so beautiful, isn't it? So peaceful. Yeah, and you just feel like just a little stroll. We've got so much in Liverpool, so much in Crosby and Waterloo. I'm not just being biased, but you can see when I'm videoing things. That is a little pathway that way, but I'm not going that way. I'll follow this path. Yeah, when I'm videoing places, it's just so beautiful, like Victoria Park, and you've got Crosby Marina, you've got this at Crosby Marina in Waterloo. It's just so pretty, isn't it? And peaceful. I've just been over there. I'm glad I took my jacket off. It's quite warm now. When the shade goes in, it gets a bit breezy, but that's okay. Good to get me washing on the line, isn't it? I know that was a bit random. When I'm walking along, my head's like going round in circles, and my washing came to mind, as it does. Need to get out more, don't I? She says, taking a nice stroll. And the buttercups. Look at this. Isn't this just beautiful? And listen. Oh God, nearly lost my balance then looking up. I'll go this way because I'm going to go towards the beach anyway, aren't I? This direction. Butterfly. Do you know, I haven't seen many butterflies this year. I'm on a mission now to video some. But I think if we'd have had them, many of them, I would have seen them. You know, in the garden. Right. I'm going to go that way. There's that big mural. Remember I showed you the mural years ago? I think it was last year actually. I've done it a few years. So I won't go that way because that's all going all around the way. Just to get to where I want to go, I'm just going to go that way and that way. Yeah, that mural, I will do it another time again, and I'll go to the thing, you know, with the information thing, with telling you all about it. But it's just basically the history, like the overhead railway, the ships, the beach and everything. It just tells you a bit of history of Waterloo, Crosby, Liverpool, and the, you know, the trams. But that can be another day. I love summer. Another butterfly. It's a white one. It's too quick for me. Remember years ago we used to go blackberry picking, and my mum would make jam and pies and all sorts. See, it's a nice different route for you to see, and especially at this time of year. I have done this route quite a few times when I've been with Cliff, but I don't recall seeing it so full. Just so beautiful, isn't it? Right, head that way to the beach now. So that was a nice little stroll through the nature part of the marina, and you'll see the boat, the sailing club again from this angle. At least later, if Cliff comes, listen to them birds. How cute they stop. Oh, there you go. They're just chirping away then. Yeah, I've done this vlog now, so I may not do a vlog later when I'm with Cliff. But if we go in the gardens, I probably will. Play it by ear. Yeah, there's the sailing club again. I'll get a little bit closer. So that's where I started, right over there. And I went right the way round to here. Let's just go on here and get a little bit closer. That whistle must be for them all to come back, because they're all heading back now. Let's just get closer here. There you go. They're relaxing. I'm heading that way towards the beach. That way. And there in the distance is Crosby. It looks like a UFO. The Crosby Lake. Lakeside Leisure Centre. So it's nice to see activity on the lake, isn't it? Okay, let's head towards the beach. Sometimes when Cliff is with me and I'm doing a vlog and he's on his bike, he'll obviously go riding, and then he'll come back and we'll sit here and have a drink. And if I brought any snacks or something, we'll just sit here and chill. It's nice. right over there, I think I'm zooming in the right place here, is the jetty that I usually stand on when I've come from South Road. So that's the way I come basically, because I come right along, didn't I? And then I went right round and then come here. But usually from there I'd go that way and go that way to the beach. Well, I'm going the opposite direction today. Do you know, I've just looked at my watch, I've been out an hour. Where's that hour gone? That's just madness. Crazy. Another little jetty, but with these ones, the seats, you see. The one I usually stand on over there, looking out onto the marina, the boat lake, there's no seat. But these little jetties there is. I'll show you properly now. It does sound windy, but it's a nice breeze, it's not a cold breeze. See the seats. It's funny when you're on here because you don't intend to go this far. The video, if you've watched the video before this, because obviously when I get home I'm going to upload that one first, the selfie video at the marina, I said I'm only going to the marina, and then I did say, oh, I'll go and show you the boats, and then when I did see them I thought, you know what, I'll do another video. And as I say, I've been out just over an hour now. Crazy. It's nice. Which way I'm walking? Warning, deep water. Do you know what, this is nearly half an hour long, I'm sorry. So what I'll do, I'll get to the top and then just show you the beach and then end it. And then I might do another one of the beach, I'll see. Well, you can't say I don't get me exercise. Coast Guard there, it's always nice to see. Well, it's nice to see them there. Not nice if they've got to be working, because that means somebody's in trouble. But it's good that they're patrolling. So I've just been right over there. So this is Waterloo Beach. And the tide is in, which is nice to see. It could be on its way out, I don't know. Let's have a look. Yeah, I'm gonna do a different video now, just the beach. So thanks for watching if you're still here. Thanks for watching if you've just watched a bit of fast forwarded, that's okay too. And if you haven't watched, it's still okay. Don't I waffle? I really do waffle, don't I? Right, I'm going to end this here and then go down on the beach. What are they doing? Right, I'm going to and do another video I think on the beach. Thanks for watching. Take care, stay safe, keep smiling and be happy. It's for sure, isn't it?